You already know that life is all about choices, yet we often question the choices we make in our life. We justify and say, life happens. But the reality is, we can choose the life we not only want, but deserve. Allow me to share how I can help. But first, it's important you know you're not alone if you feel this way, because millions of people are living unhappy, unfulfilled lives. That's not to say you fall into that category per se, because I don't know your circumstances. I found myself in a career where I was making a living, but not fulfilled. Perhaps this sounds familiar. I then signed up for a free 4-day workshop to learn how to start an online business online from scratch. The founder of this workshop, Stuart Ross, shared anyone with the right mindset could create their own online business if they're willing to learn new things. I would like to challenge you to enter your name and email address below when you believe it's time for you to explore new ways to generate income. You have the opportunity to attend the same workshop I did. Boy, that really is the best decision that I have made. It has helped me to gain my freedom of time and, more importantly, a sense of fulfillment. If you're like most people, chances are you're trapped in a career occasionally. You go through the motions because that's how you make a living, but maybe not as passionate as you would love to be. If 1% of you is saying yes to that, would you be open to consider starting an online business online? Imagine if you could work full-time on your living and part-time on your future. The good news is, change is instant. The decision leading up to change is the most difficult part. It can be a very small step, like clicking the button below to get access to the very same videos that started me on my becoming a successful business owner. I would love to hear from you after you've watched the workshop. Let me know what you think. Remember to click on the button below, and I'll talk to you soon.